Hi friends, welcome to Smile for our channel. Friends, today we learn about how to install Python Django. Just open Python. You can see there Windows version, latest version, and also you can check below versions. So you must install that executable installer file. Okay, just download it. I'll keep links in description for Python and item IDE and MySql. Okay friends, next this is one item IDE for Django. Just download it, Windows 7 or later for both. Okay, and this one is MySql. You can download it 32-bit, but it is acceptable for 64-bit also, so you can freely download it. These are three files. First step, install Python and select the path. Just click on the tick mark before installing the Python. You can check at bottom. And next, pip. So for checking purpose, just go to command prompt and enter Python. You see the version 3.9.1, that is the Python new version. And pip, just enter pip. You can check whether it is installed or not properly. Okay, if it is done, next Django. You need to install Atom IDE and also add two tools. Just go to settings, packages, just search in the search bar about Atom Django and autocomplete Python. Just download them both. Those are for auto text in the coding. Okay friends, just install them. Next step, MySql. Just download that 32-bit pattern. It is accessible for 64-bit also, no need to worry about it. And click on execute on the installation process, and just next, and you need to set password in that. Okay, after installing, just check CLS enter for clear. Just install pip space install pip space install Django. Just type it and enter. Check if it is completed. It shows the satisfied like that. So it is done. It is also warning for the update version. No problem. Next, MySql. For the MySql, you need to enter MySql space -u root -p. Root is the username, and enter the password you entered in the installation process, right? That password. So here you see that MySql prompt is came. So enter Ctrl Z. MySql is over. Next, MySql client. pip space install MySql client. Just enter. So it is also successfully installed. So by this way you can install the Python Django and MySql clients. Okay friends, these three are the files. I'll keep in the description. You can check there for links. Okay, and if anything not recognized like that, if you get any errors, then go to system, control panel, system, advanced settings. Advanced system settings. Just go through the environmental settings, environmental variable. Just go through it and click on edit path. Select path, click on edit and enter new path. Whether you get the pip error or Django error or any Python error, MySql client, you can just enter the path of that file folder. Okay friends, you can get successfully without errors. This way to install the Python. Okay friends, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel Smile Forever. Thank you.